How's it going, everyone? We're going to talk about Rivian as it's going to be the number one stock. It's running after hours. It's 51% as we speak right now and climbing as we go. I did alert this as a short, so the people who are watching that are part of my Discord and in my day trading section, let me go through that real quick. But as you can see, we're very overextended according to the band strategy. But here's the thing: we have news. Volkswagen 5 billion investment in Rivian boosts the EV maker share. So of course it's going to go ballistic. Any type of news like this is going to make the share price go ballistic, and we're going to be well over the bands. But if you look at our strategy here, look at the 4 hour. I use the band strategy for everyone watching recently. If you're way above this, it means you're really overextended. We don't just get in right away. We look for lower time frames. But look at the 1 hour, which is looking like this. The 30-minute, the 15-minute is now starting to correct to the EMA 5 and might bounce. And then we had the 5-minute trying to go back to the EMA 20. The 5 minutes going to hit the EMA 20 a whole lot faster, which is trying to go right here. Here's where I alerted my short. I knew everything was very overextended, and we know the EMA 20 is going to get hit really fast. So I alerted my short. Let's go to day trade alerts. Shorting Rivian at 17.31, scaling in more because it went a little bit above it. So I had about a 17.50 average, and I said I'm taking profit here, guys. Tagged everyone, got alert, 17.05. I'm going to take some. It went well below it to make plenty more gains. But here's why I took it. As you can see, the 1 minute did not touch this blue line, the EMA 20, for some time. And we knew we're going to get that fast rejection. So once we saw the price kind of going way up in here in like this area, we knew that we are due for a correction. And we went here and swiftly hit the EMA 20 and then some. Could have made a lot more gains. But it was just a fabulous trade. And I took it out here, and thank goodness I did, as this thing is just pumping up even more. I was like, holy crap. But this would have been a nice, decent short here, taking the 5-minute again for a nice retest here in the $18 range. I think be a nice little quick short there. But you'll want to always make sure the 1 minute and 5-minute retest, because as you can see, the 1 minute and 5-minute are showing nice, beautiful signs right in here for a nice short. I would accumulate all in here, right in here, probably take some more gains and let it go up again, or just hold them, who knows. So, yeah, this is definitely overextended. It's due for a pullback. The daily candle, as you see, the upper band is at 13.55. We're sitting at $18.16. So we're well above this daily upper band. We're going to be up in here in this black space right in here. So, everyone, I'm sharing this for everyone that's starting to buy it, because as you know, the flip side happens when the daily candle's at the bottom band. As you see, when we're at the bottom band, price tends to pump. It's a nicer probability of hitting the EMA 20, in which we did right here. So we know we have to hit our exponential moving averages. They hit it very fast in a very short amount of time, depending on which one. I use the 5, which is the purple, the 10 is the yellow, and the blue is the 20. If you would have bought down in here, you know, your chance of making a lot of money is very high. And then here's the same thing. When we're near the upper band, what happens is we tend to sell off. Where we go to is the 5, 10, and 20 for a conservative gain. And that's what we're getting all in here with Rivian. Every time Rivian has hit this upper band, it has sold off consistently. And like I said, though, guys, it does not mean I get right into the trade on the upper band. I use smaller time frames, just like how I said when I was shorting Rivian. I was looking for smaller time frames. When we had this blow off top on the 1 minute, I knew I can get a safe conservative gain. Did it matter if it kept going up? No, it doesn't even matter. I was out of the trade, bam, 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 and I was out, because look at this nice rejection. Just like right in here, we're getting a nice rejection again as we're going down here, and look at it, the candles are going fast because the 5-minute is going to hit the EMA 20. It has not done that yet, and this right here is going to get hit. The 5-minute obviously is going to take longer than the 1 minute. We have already had the 1 minute touch on the EMA 20. So that's why we had to coordinate the 1 minute with the 5 minute and make sure, we're making the best educated trades. This right here is where I took the trade here. And as you can see, we had this nice correction for a trend reversal. Then it went back up. We didn't know it's going to go back up. Was there a chance that it could keep dropping? Absolutely. So right here, if the 5 minute hits the EMA 20, it could go back up or it could go down. So we'll see. But there's a lot of time frames that are going to correct. The 15 minute will hit the 22, but takes longer time. So that's why I use the 1 minute and 5 minute. So yeah, that's the thing for Rivian. I already day traded this, so if you're in my day trading community, I wanted to share this to you. For my swing traders, I am going to be looking. This is not a bad put side play, but obviously, here's the thing though. I would not be buying shorts or puts just yet for the swing trade, and here's the reason why. You guys know and watch my videos. We do it based on time distance. We hit the EMA 5 today. We were at the EMA 5. So this first candle is going to go way up in here, and that would create you 1 day of time distance and not hitting the EMA 5. So you got to realize you want to give a couple days, like give it 1 or 2 or 3 days in here, see where the candle's at. If we're still above this ATR 4, then yes, you can start accumulating your puts, or it could just plummet right back down. And hit the EMA 5. We've seen that happen so many times. And it could do this kind of scenario. As you can see, we hit the lower band, but as you can see, it kind of magneted to it and hit it again, right? And that could do it for a couple days. So this is Rivian. This is technical analysis that works. I find trend reversals with an over 95% accuracy. You can look at my journal. You can see the valid proof I do. I might not try to make people millionaires, but I promise you'll be consistently profitable traders if you do my strategy. If you want to join my Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments. It'll be pinned. It'll take you to this free chat landing page when you join. And what's going to happen is you want to go ahead and read how to subscribe, read the avoid scammers. I would never message you or DM you first. And the best way to be a member is to head on over to the server shop right in here, and you will see the different type of memberships I offer. I offer Swing Trading Plus or Day in Swing Trading Plus. So keep in mind, the Day in Swing Trading Plus gives you access to everything. For only $12 a month, you would have had my Rivian short here, and look what we're having. To a T, Rivian is hitting the EMA 20. You had the sell side right in here to make you a nice decent gain, just like up in here on the 1 minute. I was looking to short Rivian up in here, and it went all the way down for a nice return for all my members. So yeah, so that's what the day trade is going to be like. Very conservative, not really that risky, but using a system that works. And then the swing trading is $6 a month. You choose what you want, but also if you do it on your computer, it is slightly cheaper because you avoid the iOS fee. So you're gonna see a strategy that works in real time. You get my alerts, you get my journal to see my wins and losses. But the more importantly, guys, I'm gonna teach you how to fish. I'm gonna teach you how to take the trades on your own, where you don't have to rely on my alerts. You don't have to be like, well, what is RTK doing? You're gonna be like, oh, he's doing this because of this. I already know why he's doing this trade. It makes sense. A lot of Discords just send out trade alerts or send out things, and people have no idea why. It's just gut feeling. This is based on a system. So we know, as you can see right here, we're trying to hit the 10 now in the 15 minute. So we know that Rivian's going to open up way up in here. So anybody that's looking to buy, all I'm saying is be careful with this, because we are very overextended on my upper band, and usually more often than not, we tend to sell off. I'm going to look for time distance. And if you guys don't know what I mean by time distance, I have all the education videos to get your chart to look like mine and explain it more carefully. Hope to see you guys in the Discord. Happy trading, everyone. Anybody that hold Rivian and made this massive gain, congrats. Pat yourself on the back. I'm happy for y'all. I love it when people make money. Much success is deserved to you guys. And hope to see you guys in more videos. And I'll see you in the Discord. Peace out and happy trading tomorrow. Much love.